Friends, look, here is a Sony Bravia 32-inch LCD TV. I am turning on the TV to show you the problem. Friends, look, the TV is turning on and off again. And the red indicator is blinking continuously.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dear friend and all my esteemed subscribers, I am MD Sharif. Welcome back to my Electronics Lab YouTube channel. The problem of this TV is system blanking. So friends, try with me for 4 minutes. I will try to explain nicely how to solve this problem. When you see this indicator of Sony Bravia TV blanking system, then in most cases you can assume that here is no problem in the motherboard. Guys, stay with me for a moment to understand this. Friends, this is the inverter section. This MOSFET is used to convert 19 volts DC to AC. But see, oscillation voltage from the IC is input to gate of the MOSFET. But still the backlight does not turn on. If you get this situation, first check if the voltage is going up and down in the inverter section. If this is the case, you can fix the problem with a resistor. So let us see how to solve the problem with a resistor. Now look, if there is a voltage short in the backlight, then the short signal from the IC goes to the processor due to voltage overflow. Then the system blanking problem occurs. In this situation, you can control the voltage of the backlight by reducing the signal voltage of pin 31. To do that, connect an extra resistor from pin 31 to the ground. Friends, I have connected the 10 kilo ohms resistor. So let's turn on the TV and see what happens on the screen. Dear friend, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get more videos, and thanks for watching video.